안녕하세요. So in today's lesson, we will learn how to introduce yourself in Korean. So if you know some basic Korean, if you know Hangul, if you know some very basic Korean grammar, like what is this is that, then that's really good. Then you will be able to understand this lesson properly. But even if you don't know anything about Korean language, still you can just memorize these phrases and you can understand the structure and you can just replace some words. So let's start. So the first thing that you say when doing a self-introduction is the greeting word 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. So when you say 안녕하세요, you just don't say it with like a straight body and a straight face. You just bow a little. So you will say like 안녕하세요. So 안녕하세요 will be the first word in our self-introduction. And I will not write the romanization. You can just try to imitate the sound that I am making. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Then what you will do is you will tell your name. And there are so many ways to tell your name in Korean, but there are two most common ways. First one is 저는. 저는, your name, and 이에요 or 이에요. This yeyo or yeyo, its pronunciation is yeyo, and this is pronounced like yeyo. In spoken, you won't be able to differentiate. When people say it very fast, you won't be able to feel the difference. But if you know Hangul, you can see the difference. That it's yeyo, it's yeyo, and that which one will be used will depend on your name, how it is written. So sometimes if it is the last character in the name is Pachim, then we will use this one. Pachim means the final consonant. The last character is the consonant, then it is this. Otherwise, it will be used. We will use this one. So if you don't know Hangul, then you won't be able to understand this. In that case, you can just try to imitate the sound yeyo. Yeyo. That's it. 저는 Satish yeyo. Satish yeyo. 저는 Satish yeyo. 저는 Rahul yeyo. 저는 John yeyo. 저는 Michael yeyo. You can say your name like that. If you know Hangul, then you know that if my name is John, then this is ending with a final consonant, that is Pachim. So we will use this one. Joniyeyo. And my name, for example, let's say someone's name is Raju. There is no Pachim here. So we will use this one. But if you don't know Hangul, just yeyo. 저는 Joniyeyo, 저는 Rajuyeyo. There won't be much difference. So, okay, that is one way to tell your name. And another way to tell your name is 제 이름은. 제 이름은. Only this part will change. Remaining everything will be same. 제 이름은 라주예요. 제 이름은 존이에요. 제 이름은 서티시예요. So 제 here is my and 이름 is name. So my name is Raju and this was what? I am Raju. I am John. I am Satish. So both are fine. So we have learned two sentences. 안녕하세요. 저는 서티시예요. 제 이름은 서티시예요. Both are fine. So anyone. Then you will talk about your nationality. So this is a very important word. Indo Saram. Indo Saram. Indo Saram. Indo is India and Saram is person. So Indo Saram means Indian citizen. And you will just follow the same structure. 저는 something 예요. So here you told your name. 저는 라주예요. 저는 존이에요. Now you will replace John नाम की जगह you will use Indo Saram. So 저는 인도 사람이에요. 저는 인도 사람이에요. So 저는 라주예요. 저는 인도 사람이에요. Then you want to talk about your profession. Let's say you are a student. Student is 학생. Or you are a teacher. That is a 선생님. Student, teacher, doctor. Doctor is 의사. You will need to memorize some words if you want to use them, but otherwise even if you don't know these words, you can use English words. So you can say 저는 student이에요. 저는 teacher예요. 저는 doctor예요. So you can say it like that. 저는 학생이에요. 저는 선생님이에요. 저는 의사예요. So far we have learned 안녕하세요. 저는 서티시예요. 저는 인도 사람이에요. 저는 선생님이에요. 저는 teacher예요. Then you want to say I live at this place or I work at this place. Both will be said in similar manner. So you can say 저는 place name 에서. If you are talking about living, I live here, I live at this place, then you will say 살아요. 살아요. So 저는, this is like 에서. 에서. 저는, for example, let's say you live in Delhi, so you will say 저는 델히에서 살아요. 저는 델히에서 살아요. Or 저는 문바이에서 살아요. And if you are talking about workplace, your company name or something, where you work, then also will follow the same structure. Only instead of 살아요, you will say 일해요. 일해요. So you will say, let's say you work in Samsung. So you will say 저는 삼성에서 일해요. 저는 델리에서 살아요. 저는 삼성에서, 저는 인포시스에서 일해요. 저는 마이크로소프트에서 일해요. So far we have learned 안녕하세요. 저는 서티시예요. 저는 인도 사람이에요. 저는 스튜던트예요. 학생이에요. 저는 델리에서 살아요. 저는 I work at TOPIK guide. 저는 TOPIK guide에서 일해요. Then you can also use this phrase 만나서 반가워요. 만나서 반가워요. 만나서 반가워요 means I am happy to meet you, glad to meet you. 만나서 반가워요. It's very difficult to actually write in romanization, so I would encourage you to just imitate the Korean pronunciation. 만나서 반가워요. I am glad to meet you. And you will end your introduction with 감사합니다. 감사합니다. So let's repeat it once. 안녕하세요. 저는 서티시예요. 저는 스튜던트예요. 저는 teacher예요. 저는 doctor이에요. 저는 학생이에요. 선생님이에요. Any word, if you know the word in Korean, you can just put it there. 저는 예요. So 안녕하세요. 저는 서티시예요. 저는 인도 사람이에요. 저는 스튜던트예요. 저는 델리에서 살아요. 저는 삼성에서 일해요. 만나서 반가워요. 감사합니다. That's it. Can you repeat after me? Just use your name instead of whatever name or whatever word I'm using for profession or nationality or place name or company name. 안녕하세요. 저는 서티시예요. 저는 인도 사람이에요. 저는 학생이에요. 저는 델리에서 살아요. 저는 삼성에서 일해요. 만나서 반가워요. 감사합니다. That's it. So I hope you can introduce yourself in Korean now, and soon I will see you with another Korean lesson. 감사합니다.